Remember when an iPhone would fit in the palm of your hands? Like this 3GS? Or my favorite, the 4S? Well, Apple has returned back to that era with the iPhone 12 mini. Hey guys, welcome back to Shell Tech. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right down below. So let's take a mini look at the iPhone 12 mini. So Apple went back to its roots again and built a smaller, lighter, advanced phone. When my wife and I heard this, we were glad they did. So the old 4S was my first iPhone and it was perfect for me at the time with a great pocket size, weight, solid construction with the aluminum sides, and I thought it was just an amazing phone. That's why when I saw Apple release a phone that looked like it and was smaller than regular phones, I was quite excited to buy the new 12 mini for my wife. Since her iPhone 7 was on its last leg and she did not want a phone the size of my XR or a full 12, the iPhone 12 mini seemed to fit the bill. So let's talk about what's old but new again with the 12 mini. Some of the features this mini has is the curved edge and glass back to this totally flat screen, which is an amazing looking 5.4 OLED display. Square edges and aluminum side rails for a lot better grip than other phones. You have the lightning connector, mic, and stereo speakers on the bottom. Comes in 5 colors: blue, black, white, green, and this red. An A14 chip, the fastest chip an iPhone has ever had, and an amazing dual wide and ultra wide cameras. This phone also is able to take advantage of the brand new 5G spectrum available to most carriers now. We tested it out when we went for a drive this weekend in an area that had 5G, and it was faster compared to 4G, but honestly, it really doesn't seem to be a necessity at this time. But maybe in the future, if you're downloading large movies over the spectrum, you may take more advantage of 5G. In the box of the 12 mini, you're really only getting a charging cable, pamphlet, and no outlet adapter is included. I would still like to see an outlet adapter for new people with their first Apple phone may need the adapter. And especially at this price point, I still expect to have an adapter in the box. I guess Apple figures you can use your old one or the MagSafe charging option. Talking about MagSafe is basically a big magnet at the back of the mini to attach accessories and the charging cable, like we did for our car navigation. This device is best for someone who wants to get back to a more manageable one-handed phone. So somebody who can live without the real estate of a regular iPhone 12. Like my wife, they may have small hands, don't need to binge videos all day, or they're not concerned about screen size or battery life. But they may want something to fit in a small purse, bag, pocket, without the bulk like other phones. I see this phone appealing to more minimalist-minded people who are sick of the hassle of dragging bigger phones to places like the gym or other active places. But they may want the convenience of having one of the best cameras at their disposal at any time. Taking amazing video and high quality, beautiful pics of this amazing sunset's gotta be my favorite feature of this 12 mini. So my first impressions of my wife's brand new 12 mini is it's an awesome phone. I am a little bit jealous and may pick one of these up for myself actually. I really think the mini phone isn't for everybody, but for the right person it could be their best device for years to come. If you're looking for a phone that's small, fast, eye-catching, the new mini I think is the way to go. Anyways, that was a mini look at the new red iPhone 12 mini. If you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell for future videos. Also, watch my short video on the best clear case for the 12 mini right here.